Welcome to MyDrive Energy, an online solution offering key calculators for energy optimization. One of the key features is the energy calculator, which I'll walk you through in this session. This calculator helps you to quickly assess the energy savings, CO2 reductions, and the economic advantages of adding a drive to an uncontrolled system. The second calculator is the efficiency calculator. This calculator determines the efficiency class and part load efficiencies for Danfoss Drives, ensuring full compliance with the design standard. Let's start by exploring the energy calculator. When you enter the energy calculator, you enter the workspace. In the workspace, you can initialize and customize your project. You can set up report information about the site you're about to analyze. And you can adjust key data like your local energy costs and CO2 factors, which are crucial for calculating savings and environmental impact across the systems you want to analyze. Specify multiple applications available on the site you're about to analyze. Provide names for the applications, which makes it possible for you to quickly distinguish between them in the report. Let's go into a system. In under a minute, you have a powerful first result. By defining the application, operating hours, operational profile, and motor power, you get an instant overview of savings and payback estimate. A calculator has been provided for you to easily calculate the operating hours. You can also manually type in the operating hours. A list of default operational profiles are available for you, but you can also create your own custom profile. When selecting the motor power, you'll see to the right that the system is automatically updated. The system is updated to your changes, and a first rough estimate of the investment is also provided. This gives a solid starting point for your discussions. Now you already have the first results. If you would like to further adjust details, you can update the voltage, the drive, and the motor. And you can even set up your own motor to match the current installation. You will see that changes in the setup will also update the results instantly. From here you can enter the system results. It is easy from the system result page to see the most valuable KPIs like energy savings, CO2 reduction, and payback time. On the other tabs, you can explore the details further, and an overview table is provided to support deeper analysis of the calculations. If you're assessing an entire factory, you get a full overview of all the application results from the overall results page. This view shows the overall savings and payback period, together with other available units. If you like, a report can be downloaded from the page. Let's go back to the landing page to investigate the efficiency calculator. When you enter this calculator, you enter the workspace. From within the workspace, you can set up one or multiple systems. In this video, we'll make two systems, one for complete drive module and another one for power drive system. Here we give them the names CDM and PDS, but you can name them whatever you like. Entering the system, it's possible from the tabs above to select which kind of mode you would like to have. Here we select the complete drive module. Let's select a drive. When entering the model, you'll see the filter button in the right. Use this to filter the list of drives. Here we filter by the series and by the power. In the lower left corner you can see the drive selected. Here we copy it for your later use in the video. Selecting the drive calculates the part load points for this drive. It's possible to define your own user point. By specifying the frequency and the current, we calculate the efficiency. Opening the footer at the bottom, you see the results summary. This is the efficiency class for the drive. Let's take a look at the results. Here you see the CDM results for the drive selected. Let's go back to the workspace. And now into the PDS system. The default is the complete drive module, but we would like the power drive system. When selecting the drive, we use the previously copied type code. This demonstrates that if you already have the type code, you can use it directly to select the drive. Now we want to find a motor that fits the drive. Opening the filter, we can select the drive fit. We want a valid one. Let's find a producer. Here we select the generic. It's also possible to filter using the columns. You can see that the columns can be sorted. Let's take an IE3 motor. Here we again have the calculated part load points for the system. It would be possible to also make a user part load point for this, but since we showed it before, we'll just go directly to the results. Again, we get the overall results from this page. And we have the motor and drive information. It's possible to download a report just for this system, but since we also here have multiple systems, we can go to the overall results. Here we see the same results as we did on each of the sites, but together we can download a report with all of these results. Let's go back to the landing page. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to get the most out of MyDrive Energy.